every human being is God's creation. So learn to respect. I'm talking about transgender. The movie Lakshmi, it's a really a good one. Whoever is the director has done a good job. It has highlighted folks, especially the ones who go through emotional turmoil because they are not accepted by society. In this movie, it's the boy who was named Lakshman, and his own parents disowned him just because he was different. Whenever his father used to tell him to wear shoes, he would just go and wear some belly, or he will just put bangles, and he would dress like a female because he had the qualities of both a male and a female. He was a transgender. And no matter how much he was trying, he was not able to change himself because it was God's creation. And his father was very authoritative. He even beat him and threw him out of the house. And there was one Abdul Chacha who actually gave him shelter and changed his name to Lakshmi. And there was another girl who was also a transgender, whom Lakshmi requested Abdul Chacha to keep because she also had the same fate, disowned by parents. And there Abdul Chacha had also kept one boy who was mentally retarded. So all of them, almost 4 of them, were there in the family, but they were different. And they grew up to be adults, responsible adults, and they owned a property which was usurped by Girjas, who were quite rich, filthy rich, and they falsely called them in the house Lakshmi and both the Gayatri, the inmate, his friend, and the third fellow also mentally retarded, and Abdul Chacha, and they were brutally killed by the Girijas, and their soul wandered. And Lakshmi's soul entered Asif. That was Akshay Kumar, who had married Kiera Advani, and they were living a peaceful life. But in the beginning, acceptance was not there because he was following Islam and she was a Hindu. So Kaira's dad especially had not accepted him. But later on, because of his good nature, he was accepted in the family. But as the soul entered, Lakshmi's soul entered Akshay Kumar, he used to behave in a very weird manner, and he used to be like a transgender, like Enang. And there were many instances where he behaved like that, and then the family got suspicious as to what is happening to him. And then they took him to a priest, kind of Baba, who gave us some kind of treatment for the soul which has entered Akshay Kumar's body, and the soul left him. And he had tied one thread and this thing on his holy thing on his wrist and told that you are not supposed to remove it. But when Asif had already known the story, he was filled with remorse. He thought that it's very bad on Lakshmi's part. He wanted to actually avenge. So he just took off the thread, the holy thread, and he wanted Lakshmi to enter his body so that he can avenge. And the Lakshmi entered his body and he killed everyone one after another, and he did it miraculously in a very wonderful way. And the way he has enacted as an Enang is really you can say commendable. He has done something good. So it's a must watch. And bottom line, acceptance is the key for any society to grow, because people are different, they are born different, some of them. So we don't have any right to disown them, accept them. 5 stars.